Hi guys, I'm back with another video with my cousin. Today we're gonna go to my cousin's house, so we don't have much time to tell you. But we did a slime, and we're gonna be mixing the slime today. Yeah. And so I already mixed a little bit, and this is the color. Looks so cute. And then the slime that we did, get close. And the slime that we did is this gallon of glow. It's hers. So oh shit. So we're gonna be mixing. Oh my goodness. So I'm just gonna get a little bit ready. So I have to, because my hair's all messed up and it's all tangled. Oh hell no, look. Okay, let's get this. So we made this. Let's mix it. Sorry, Valeria. Sorry. Tell everybody that you're doing a video. Guys, I'm lying, right? You're making a video?
Yeah.
She's gonna start her YouTube videos.
Oh, I forgot to bring my phone so we can play a Weekend Live. Because remember that I had.
You forgot. Okay, it's time to mix.
Can I mix?
No, half. Okay, this is how we're gonna do it. Vamos a cortar un half and we're gonna mix it. No, I don't know how to do it. Okay.
This is yours.
Excuse me, Valerie, let me touch that. Yeah, like to beat.
Okay, which one is mine?
This one is mine.
This one?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, this looks cute.
I already mixed.
I don't really want to mix it. I don't really want to fight anymore. I don't really want to fight anymore. Look at mine. Like mine's turning like a beautiful color.
Look at this one.
Look how beautiful. Look, I really love it. I'm not used to being a fan of yellow, but it looks so cute. Okay, let's start mixing a little bit with this. Oh my god, look. Every man in my dreams, I don't know where it's And
Valerie's turning on.
People are complaining that I'm not showing the slime. Well, the reason that we're not showing the slime, because I have a freaking popsicle, or whatever they call it, the things they hold it like this. And I have it so we cannot show it. And I have it really like... I'm going to try to make it... Okay, so I can't take it out because it's about to break. And I almost got to cut it. So look. Okay, wait until 5 minutes. 5 minutes later. So this is how it turned.
Yeah, look, it turned
orange. Okay, guys, just show a little bit of your skin right now. It doesn't look, but she got sunburn. You're lucky that you got to go swim. So my sister, you haven't seen my sister in the videos because she went to California. I think that's the way. California.
No, Los Angeles. Fue a Los Angeles.
Wait.
Los Angeles.
I was right. She went to California, so she might come back today at night. I think she has gone to Disney World over there. She has gone to the beach. What?
Stop.
What?
I'm gonna tell you something.
What?
That my mom And when I asked Milena and my mom, Milena said that she was going to Los Angeles.
She went to California. Okay, whatever. So she has gone to the beach, to the Disney World, and she said that she bought me some Mickey Mouse earrings, so I will be wearing those when she comes back. Yeah, right. So you guys think that I'm lying, but I'm not.
Orange.
So it's orange. Wait, what the heck? Wait, let me see. Oh, shit. Shit. It has a little hair. Valerie. It's not the same color. I think you have a lot of yellow and I have a lot of pink. Because it looks like it's about to turn pink. And yours turns, like, it looks like I got a little yellow. Like, look at mine. Look at mine. And look at hers. Like, look at the difference. Well, the camera doesn't look the difference, but in real life, it looks really weird. Okay, are you ready? Wait.
We're gonna mix.
Yeah, together again. Oh my god. Because I give you half where we can both mix it. So put it up here. Do it like...
Oh, right here? Let me see if I can do it.
Do like a circle. Let's put it in the middle. Tom, help me. Can't do it by myself. We're giving a slime massage. A nice massage. Wait. It looks really weird, the color. Because it looks like lighter peach and like pink peach. Okay, let's stretch.
Okay, wait.
Okay. Put it up. Closer. Come closer. It's pretty. Oh shit!
Let me see, can I touch it? It's like crunchy slime. Right?
Yeah.
It's like crunchy slime, guys. And it's not.
I want my bathroom to smell good.
My God!
That smells good. Like, this smells so good. That's why I like to use it, because my bathroom smells so good. Why are you looking at me like that? Is it because
I have
two? I
Gosh,
really do.
I want this one.
Hell no. Oh, hell no. Wait, let me see something.
It's not gonna fit.
I know, I'm just gonna try. It doesn't fart. Whatever.
Let me see.
Stretch it. Wait, let me just. This slime has to be like this before we can stretch. Okay, grab it. Not like that, girl. Yeah, like that. But you have to be close. Okay, go. Oh shit, I thought it went to the floor. Let me see. Let's catch up.
Crunchy. Maybe you can call it crunchy slime.
I need to talk to her. Oh, shit. You're back.
Let's stretch it again.
Wait. ¿No que dijo este Fabricio that he was gonna give us glow in the dark slime and crunchy slime?
Yeah.
He lies hell.
Yeah. Here's a little bit of...
If you're watching this video, cousin, I'm sorry, but it's the truth.
He has a hair.
Of your hairs?
No.
Are you sure? Si necesita ahorita reggaeton. Oh shit! Stop it!
Okay. Let's do it again. Let's do it again.
Wait. Oh shit! Wait. Here. Ew. Wait, we're gonna jump on Fabrice's trampoline, right?
Yeah.
Good. Zito Megaremeya, what the fuck are you doing?
Do you know that I was paint?
Ooh, una cucaracha.
So we're back.
Why are you saying that we're back? I only say that when I'm starting the video.
I say that to Judge
me llamas, tú me llamas, soy el que te una alfombra. No, I want to play to that. That feels so good.
Oh my god. What did you say?
Disney. Got him.
Oh, okay, I'm not gonna do it ever again.
I fucking hate you for doing that.
No!
You know that slime was stuck into my hair. And then they had to cut my hair and then wanted to cut. Stop! That's what she gets, bruh. I'm gonna do get at me.
Oh my god! What
Move, please. Oh, that kind of feels good.
Look.
Can you give me the slime, please? Oh, shit. Look at all my bathroom. So I have my makeup over there, my mirror. Say hi. That's all. And I have my shower, my toilet. If you don't want to see that, because it's not yours. You better take my slime. Oh my gosh, you got a lot of hairs. What the fuck? ¿Qué le dan el carpet? La dan pura. Look. Open it, así para que mires. Ew, there's a hair.
That's that one. There's a lot of hair.
What the fuck? Oh shit.
What?
And I haven't done a slime video because I ran out of the eye content. This girl is trying to hit me. Okay, this looks better. So we're gonna be back with another video, guys. And I'm ending the video. Please go subscribe down there. Or give it a thumbs up. Why are you looking at me? And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because I didn't, because she fucking hit me. So, we see you guys with another video. Bye! Oh my gosh! Look, there's some hair. Porque mi papi se rasura, vos. Por eso no lo meto.